Welcome to the 2021 Spooky Drive with Dave. We are obviously at the Home Depot for some Halloween shopping. And what is this person doing? Like, come on, man. Like, what is that? Okay, so we're going to a different Home Depot. The third Home Depot. Been told this definitely has the decorations up, so let's go. And here it is. They have just finished setting this up. You can see they're just doing the last finishing touches, so everything should look good and look not like it did at Lowe's. This is pretty cool. It is animated, but it's also unplugged. Ooh, now those are some cool pumpkins. Look like Halloween Horror Nights. And check out this skeleton dude. Also not plugged in. $24.98 for these. That's cool. Or these. Same price for these. I think we've seen these before. Same price.
Trick or treat. Don't you look scary tonight?
Is my head on straight?
I hope we see some ghosts and goblins tonight.
Give us something good and sweet.
Game of Thrones. Game of Bones. So the giant inflatables. This is Jack Skellington for $99. Coco, $99. Notice that's not $99.99. This is $99 straight. $129 for this tall classic Halloween inflatable guy. This, if I can figure out the button here. Come on, Dave. There we go. This, it just lights up like that. It sort of looks like a... Oh, I gotta turn it off. Sort of looks like a flame. This one, if I let go, it turns off right away. You know, it's one or the other. So I'm not sure exactly how this works. If I thought about it a little bit, I'd figure it out. But I think it looks cool. Swirling around like that. $39.98 for this. $12.98 for these various animated motion sensor animals. Clear out your closets. For $29.98 you can get this. One of these skeletons. There's an overview of what the inflatables look like. This would be a good time to get some free boxes. Crow in a cage.
Turn back! There's danger ahead!
Well, there's the circuitry, but I guess that's what I get for coming to a store that's still being set up. I was promised they'd be done. Alright, one more thing. It just got put out. I don't know which one this is, but again, I'll have to come back for these to be animated. But we'll see. Now off to Spirit Halloween. And we're back at the safest Spirit Halloween in the country, potentially. Because right next to it is a police station. Seriously. If you missed the live stream, it is right next to Fun Spot Orlando. Nice. I guess that's like it's supposed to go in the back of the door for your emergency exit.
Yeah, it does kind of look like that, doesn't it?
Case of twins. There's no exit, sorry. Only $19.99 for this. Pretty awesome. I like how they include the carpet.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah.
And the key to room 237.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Danny hides in cabinets. They got like all of Danny's spots.
Cool. So today's theme is just a little early.
$16.99.
Not bad.
It's three-dimensional, see?
Ooh. $16.99 for the mic knife. And look, the knife has a knife on it. How meta. Nice. $16.99 for this trick-or-treat sign. That's pretty cool. Got two different ways of mounting it too. And $14.99 for this. Pretty awesome. Check out this, $19.99. Buy it or you'll be a loser too. Well, this is going to be a short update here because if you have not watched my live streams or the 360 video, please do. But the shipment that was supposed to be sent here yesterday, unfortunately only arrived today, so it's just being brought out. Of course, more skeletons. And if you don't want to spring for an entire skeleton, for $60.99 you can have just parts of one. That doesn't look like Jack. Looks more like Marilyn Manson, maybe? $21.99. Check out this welcome mat. Just put out on the floor. $24.99 for this Crystal Lake hat. And a strange song to go with it. Blinking eye string lights. That's cool. Even the try me button blinks. Alright, that'll do it for this visit to Spirit Halloween. Top is BJ's. BJ's actually had some candy out a while ago, a few weeks ago I think. So they started pretty early, which is pretty awesome. There's some more candy as well. I'm not going to have a lot of stuff here at BJ's because, you know, not really the kind of place you go for all your Halloween shopping, but they have some stuff, like the skeleton's kind of cool. 5-foot skeleton. Don't see the price, but these pillows are super cute for $12.99 each. These costumes are only $19.99 each. So, you know, smaller your kid is, the less of a value it is, but Axe isn't for Halloween, but it could be. Pumpkin spice coffee. Yeah, it's kind of a stretch. I'm gonna move on. Some spoopy pajamas and some cards. And we're starting in Target. Here is the card selection for Halloween, and in case you didn't know, Halloween is October 31st. Who doesn't know that? Not sure, but it's up there anyway. Interesting. Usually this area is filled with fall and Halloween stuff before Hide and Eek gets set up. But there's not that much for now. It's a few things. These are $1. Most of the things in this area are $1 or $3. For $1, you can grow your own pumpkin. Now back here in the seasonal section, you'll see they're putting out the most important part, which is the candy. But it seems that they're early in the process of putting Halloween out. And of course they'll also be putting out Christmas. But if this video gets 100 views, which is not asking a whole lot, I will make a part 2 in a few weeks when these stores have all the stuff out. So share it, please. Oh man, the Haribo mix. I look forward to this all year long. Kind of sad. Over here, this part is still back to school. Florida schools have been in session for a little while already, but obviously this is going to be more Halloween decorations, costumes, things like that. Less Purell, maybe. We'll be back if I get that 100 views. Seriously, these drive videos don't do well. Over here, the Halloween dog treats are out. Your dogs might like greenies, but they don't care if it's pumpkin spice flavor. That's just ridiculous. Of course, while I'm here, I could also pick up some pumpkin spice something. Stuff is blows. Yeah, I don't like blows, but the interesting thing is they allow service animals and pets. It doesn't have to be a service animal. And here's a section for Halloween for this year and also fall. Starting off in fall, you can have some uncarved pumpkins. Someone just put that there because people do that and it's not cool. In 1998 for this jack board. And this, which this should be over here, is $24.98. For $11.98 you have caution tape, also in Spanish. $4.98 because they don't have to spend as much money because it's only one language, is Happy Halloween or Danger. Here's some Universal stuff. Well, it's DreamWorks, but DreamWorks is owned by Universal. Only $1.98 for these window clings, clean gels. That's cool. Guys are interesting. You can put one of their pumpkins on it, or you can put a real one on top and make a head. Oh, pumpkin head. If your closet is missing some skeletons, you can have them in bone colored green. Also, they light up. And bronze for some reason. Got the green lid storage containers. And also more massive pumpkin. On to the props. Trap or treat. See what happens when I push this button. Oh! Whoa. Rotary phone. Now that is scary. Can't see a price for this, and there's a little bit of glare on it, sorry. But oh, check out the bats flying around. Halloween themed Christmas lights. Let's be honest, they're Christmas lights. $16.98 for these. Those are cool. You can see them up there. $24.98 for this guy. Pretty sure we've heard that recording before. Also $3.98 for this little light up pumpkin. The tiny solar panels, so don't expect this to be very bright. $14.98 for these pillows. They're nice. Throw pillows. They're fine. Human skeletons aren't your thing. For $5.98, you could have a frog, a fish, a bird, or a tiny unicorn. Not shown to scale. $4.98 for this guy. Or $19.98 for this one. $9.98 for this bag of skulls. And they have some Bark Box stuff. Or Bark anyway. Maybe they changed the name of the company. Some Halloween stuff. Sorry, your dog's not going to know it's Halloween. It's cute and all, but you know, if you want to buy it for your dog will probably like it anyway. Okay, time for Walmart. Walmart is not quite 100% ready for us for Halloween, but they do have the candy out and the chocolate and what that guy said. Some Oreos. Some more candy and chocolate. God's Play, always a classic. This actually is available all year long at Walmart. Skills of Starburst. Oh, they went all in on this candy corn and candy pumpkins. And some kids' books. Oh, yeah. Like really little kids. I'm sorry for those of you who love this annual tradition of Count Chocula and Frankenberry and all that. I didn't have it when I was growing up. Maybe I don't have that nostalgia. I mean, it was around, I remember it, I knew about it, but I didn't have it until a few years ago. It's disgusting. No costumes or decorations or makeup yet. Maybe I'll be back. Oh, great way to start the video. So I guess we're gonna come back. If this video gets 100 views, which is pretty low for most channels, I will make a part 2. There are a few items here for fall, but not really Halloween. Some stuff for parties. Fall parties? Is this Thanksgiving already? More Halloween is coming. Well, I don't see any Halloween so far, so yeah, it looks like we're really early for this one. Really early for this store. But other stores like Home Depot have a lot of stuff, so. And saving this for last because I didn't want to start on a disappointment. Party City. Exactly. I couldn't put it better. If you're wondering, I did not add that sound effect. It actually happened as I was recording that clip. I'm not kidding. My buddy Kyle from Youth and the Cheap Seats. Like and subscribe, or this guy's been looking for you.
I just love hitting you bozos with my hammer. You better watch out, or I'm gonna whop you over the head, too. Oh, please, come a little closer. Yeah.